Hey everyone, this is Prashant. We all know that we can create prototypes pretty quickly without coding nowadays using one of the many vibe coding tools that are available. What if you want to create a prototype of an AI driven capability? In other words, a feature or a product that uses one of the AI models behind the scenes to power a functionality. For example, you may be building a functionality to describe a picture or to summarize a paragraph or to translate a sentence. Whatever it is that you're building, you will need to um, show that in your prototype, right? Um, until recently, if you do not know how to program, it is very difficult or near impossible to build a prototype that uses an AI model behind the scenes. I have good news. Even if you do not know how to program, you can now use an actual AI model to not just simulate, but actually show how that AI model will power your capability without writing a single line of code. So let's see how that's done. So let's start with Replit. Okay, this is our vibe coding tool. This is the tool that I use. And let's say we want to create an application where you can upload an image and you want an AI agent or AI model to describe that image. So this is a very simple capability. You cannot do this without effectively without an AI model. So let's see what the prompt will look like. I I created a simple prompt here. The prompt says, create a simple web app, which does all these things. So I'm going to copy that prompt and paste it here and say start building. Now, while it is building, this will take a few minutes. So while it's building, there are a few things that I have done there. I said that to build this capability, use AI, and particularly I said use OpenAI and ask me for my OpenAI API key. Um, Now, how do you get an OpenAI API key? I'll come to it. Let's just look at this and approve this plan. It says, okay, I'm going to build an app, initial planning, approve the plan. I'm going to approve the plan and ask you to start building. So it is building. So while it's building, let's talk about how to get the OpenAI platform, OpenAI API key. Most engineers will know this, many product managers will know this as well. You can go to platform.openai.com and create an account. You will need a credit card. Um, and if you're prototyping, you will probably spend a few dollars. So it is very affordable for most people. And you can get a platform, an API key. It is a secret key that is will be specific to this application. And when you ask Replit to create a capability using OpenAI, it will ask you for that key, and you can uh, give Replit the key, and then it'll start using that key to interact with OpenAI. Replit has now created the application. It has started to create the application, and then it says it needs an OpenAI API key. And since I already have an OpenAI API key, I am just going to say continue from the account vault, and it is now taking that OpenAI key and it is starting the application. And if there is any bugs, it'll fix that bug by itself. Okay. All right. Now the application is running successfully, and soon we should be able to drag and drop a picture and ask AI to describe that capability. So it's saying that created Flask web application with image upload functionality, added OpenAI GPT-4 Vision API integration for image analysis, built a clean UI, implemented proper error handling, and app is now running successfully. Your AI image analyzer is ready. You can upload JPEG or PNG images up to 16 MB, and the app will use AI to detect what it sees. Now, this is not something that you can obviously do without AI. So let's see how it works. So I dragged and dropped a picture of a of a handbag, and then I said analyze image. And there you go. It's a handbag, image of a handbag, and the image, it describes that the image features a woven handbag prominently placed on a cushioned chair, and it is handmade, and all that stuff. So clearly, this is an AI-driven capability, particularly an OpenAI GPT-4 Vision API-driven capability, and I have prototyped this. And this is the exact same API your engineering team will use when they build a capability like this. Now, because you have tested this, you can now be sure, or you can now experience how the whole thing will work even before you turn over your product definition document or your prototype to your engineers.